Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen tells us about post-traumatic stress disorder.
Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, is a mental health condition that can develop after a person experiences or witnesses a traumatic event. This can include serious accidents, violence, war, sexual assault, and natural disasters.
Around 10 to 50% will move on to what we call post-traumatic stress disorder. Now, this is what is reliving the experience, reliving the distressing events that occur during Melissa, distressing flashback, the intrusive memories of the events that happened, the hurricane, the wind blowing, the sound of the wind moving through the houses and outside, and also you will have nightmares.
Among the symptoms, anxiety and nightmares.
They will also have what we call hyperarousal, the slight thing that happens, the hypervigilance, anything that happens, a loud sound, they will jump. Also irritability is also part of the reliving the experience of what happens with them during Hurricane Melissa. And this might start anywhere from a few weeks to many months after.
Treatment usually involves medication and therapy.
This is a time when communications become very important. Communicating with the individuals around, communicating with community members, and getting support from family and friends. This all helps to return to normality. And then doing things, specifically doing things that's going to help you. Talking about the incident. The more you talk about the incident, the more you get it off your chest and help other people to help you to move on.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.